Welcome again. My name is Gurush. We're going to be starting today with .NET, Microsoft.NET, but we're going to be using something that people are not familiar with that much, and I don't really understand why, but we're going to be using JScript. Yes, that's JScript, which is JavaScript, but we're going to be creating native applications, Windows console applications, and later on we're going to be creating Windows forms, but also using JScript. So we won't be using any Visual Studio, we won't be using any of that, just our editor and our notepad. So basically we have to cover how we actually compile programs in JScript. So let's get right to it. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to import system. Now this is a system namespace in Microsoft.NET. Now the other thing that you actually want to do, you want to create a class, and then this class you want to give your class, for instance, a name. Now when you have a name for your class, you basically want to create a constructor for it. So now your constructor will be a function. Now this will be members function. Now this tells JavaScript that this right here is a constructor function. Now to prove this, what we actually do, we have to console something to the console. We write system the console dot write line, and we create our hello world application. Now the other thing is we have to console dot read key, so that we can actually pause to see our message. Now the other thing that we need to do is to instantiate our class in order to actually test our application. Now that's our basic hello world in JScript. JScript is a Microsoft implementation of JavaScript. So now let's compile and run our application. Now to compile our JScript application, we actually use a compiler named JSC, JavaScript compiler. Now we write JSC, now the application name with the JavaScript extension. Now when we compile this and compilation is done, now to run our application, we basically run application.exe, and this will result in our hello world application. And with that sudden pause waiting for a read key, when we press that, and then it just says K, and that's the key that we actually pressed, and then we're done. And that's how to build and compile our console application in JScript, which is aka JavaScript, in under a .NET framework. So it's JavaScript with superpowers. So join me next time on the next video, and take care.